Plants have always held a special place in human culture, often surrounded by myths and superstitions that have been passed down through generations. In this video, we will explore some of the most bizarre and intriguing beliefs associated with plants from around the world. From plants believed to bring luck and prosperity to those thought to ward off evil spirits, the world of plant superstitions is as diverse as it is mysterious. You'll be amazed by the strange rituals and customs that people have developed over time to harness the supposed powers of these botanical wonders. So get ready to delve into the realm of plant folklore and superstitions as we uncover the top 10 weirdest plant superstitions that will leave you both bewildered and intrigued. Number 10 on our list is hanging a horseshoe plant outside your home will bring good fortune. Hanging a horseshoe plant outside your home is believed to bring good luck and prosperity according to superstitions. The horseshoe shape is often associated with protection and warding off evil spirits, making it a popular symbol for attracting positive energy. Placing this plant near your entrance is thought to invite good fortune into your household and safeguard against negative influences. While this superstition may seem charming and whimsical, it ranks at number 10 on our list due to its widespread popularity and enduring presence in various cultures. Compared to other plant superstitions in our list, the belief in the horseshoe plant's power is relatively straightforward and universally recognized. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a go-to choice for those seeking a touch of luck and positivity in their lives. Number 9, burning sage around plants will promote their growth. Burning sage around plants is a practice believed to enhance their growth and vitality. Sage has long been revered for its cleansing properties and is thought to purify the surrounding environment, creating a more conducive space for plant growth. The ritual of burning sage is often associated with spiritual purification and renewal, making it a popular choice for those seeking to promote the health and well-being of their plants. This superstition ranks at number 9 due to its holistic approach to plant care and its connection to ancient traditions of herbal healing. While burning sage may not have scientific backing in terms of plant growth promotion, its symbolic significance and calming aroma have made it a favored method among gardeners looking to nurture their green companions. Number 8, placing aloe vera near your front door will ward off evil spirits. Placing aloe vera near your front door is believed to act as a protective barrier against evil spirits and negative energies. Aloe vera has long been revered for its healing properties and is thought to possess cleansing and purifying qualities that can create a shield of positivity around your home. This superstition stems from the plant's reputation for promoting health and well-being, making it a popular choice for those seeking to ward off malevolent forces. The practice of placing aloe vera near the front door combines practicality with symbolism, offering both aesthetic appeal and spiritual protection. While the efficacy of this superstition may vary among individuals, its association with holistic wellness and spiritual cleansing sets it apart from other plant superstitions. Number 7. Carrying a cactus will protect you from negative energy. Carrying a cactus is believed to shield individuals from negative energy and ward off ill intentions. The prickly exterior of the cactus is seen as a natural defense mechanism that can repel harmful influences and create a barrier of protection around the person carrying it. This superstition is rooted in the resilience and adaptability of cacti, which are known for thriving in harsh environments and symbolizing strength and endurance. Ranked at number 7 on our list, the practice of carrying a cactus combines practicality with symbolism, offering a tangible form of protection that is both unique and visually striking. While the belief in the protective powers of cacti may vary among cultures, its association with strength and fortitude sets it apart from other plant superstitions. Number 6. Singing to your houseplants will keep them healthy. Singing to your houseplants is a charming superstition believed to promote their health and growth. The soothing vibrations and positive energy of music are thought to have a beneficial effect on plants, encouraging photosynthesis and overall well-being. This practice is rooted in the idea that sound waves can stimulate plant growth and create a harmonious environment for them to thrive. The act of singing to houseplants offers a delightful blend of care and creativity, enhancing the bond between humans and nature. While the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of singing to plants may be limited, the emotional connection and joy it brings to both the plants and the caregiver set it apart from other plant superstitions. Number 5. Stepping on a thistle will bring bad luck. Stepping on a thistle is believed to bring bad luck according to superstition. Thistles are known for their sharp spines and prickly nature, causing discomfort and misfortune to those who inadvertently tread upon them. This superstition stems from the thistle's reputation as a symbol of pain and adversity, with the act of stepping on one thought to invite negative energy and unfortunate events into one's life. The belief in the ill omens associated with stepping on a thistle highlights the perceived power of nature to influence human fate. Unlike other plant superstitions that focus on protection or growth, this belief serves as a cautionary reminder to tread carefully and avoid potential sources of harm. Compared to other beliefs, the superstition surrounding thistles offers a more ominous and foreboding outlook on the consequences of encountering certain plants. Number 4. Planting marigolds in your garden will bring you good luck. Planting marigolds in your garden is a superstition believed to attract good luck and positive energy. Marigolds are known for their vibrant colors and cheerful appearance, symbolizing joy and prosperity in many cultures. The presence of these flowers is thought to ward off negative influences and invite blessings into the garden, creating a harmonious and auspicious environment for both plants and people. The practice of planting marigolds combines beauty with symbolism, offering a visual representation of abundance and good fortune. Unlike other plant superstitions that focus on protection or spiritual cleansing, the belief in the luck-bringing properties of marigolds emphasizes the power of nature to bestow blessings upon those who cultivate them. Number 3. Whistling near a fig tree will summon evil spirits. Whistling near a fig tree is a superstition believed to summon evil spirits according to folklore. Fig trees have long been associated with mysticism and spiritual significance, with their presence often linked to supernatural phenomena. The act of whistling near a fig tree is thought to disrupt the tranquility of the spirits residing within the tree, potentially inviting malevolent forces to manifest and cause mischief. The belief in the connection between whistling and the summoning of evil spirits highlights the deep-rooted superstitions surrounding fig trees in various cultures. This belief serves as a cautionary tale about the potential consequences of disturbing the natural order. Number 2. Placing a fern under your pillow will make you irresistible. Placing a fern under your pillow is a superstition believed to enhance one's allure and charm, making them irresistible to others. Ferns have long been associated with beauty and grace, symbolizing elegance and refinement in many cultures. The act of sleeping with a fern under your pillow is thought to imbue the sleeper with a magnetic presence and captivating aura, drawing admirers and potential suitors towards them. Well, the practice of placing a fern under your pillow combines mystique with romance, offering a whimsical yet enchanting belief in the power of botanical magic. The belief in the irresistible qualities of ferns highlights the allure of nature's secrets and the desire to harness their mystical properties. Number 1. Talking to plants helps them grow faster. Talking to plants is a widely embraced superstition believed to accelerate their growth and development. The act of speaking to plants is thought to provide them with carbon dioxide, a byproduct of human respiration that plants use for photosynthesis. Additionally, the vibrations of sound waves produced by speech are believed to stimulate plant cells and encourage metabolic processes, ultimately leading to faster growth rates. Ranked at number 1 on our list, the belief in the beneficial effects of talking to plants showcases the deep connection between humans and nature. The practice of talking to plants offers a tangible and scientifically supported method for enhancing plant health. The superstition surrounding verbal communication with plants stands out for its practicality and the potential for fostering a nurturing relationship between individuals and the natural world. So what do you think of these superstitions? Any other plant superstitions that we haven't yet covered on the list? Let us know in the comments below.